Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a simple black pink inspo nail tutorial for press-ons. Super cute. Okay, let's just jump right into it. So I have these A-press nails that no one ever appreciates to use, but you know what, we're not going to talk about it. So I just have them sitting here. I was just like, these could be great press-on nails. So let me just make some press-on nails. Okay, cool. So now we're going to be starting off with, well, I already I already buffed them and put primer on. So now we're just going to be starting off with the first color. The first color is going to be black, so I'm just painting the nails black. Now I am grabbing the blooming gel and I'm going to be starting the spotted design for the two fingers I did as the accent nails. So this idea was kind of just random. I was just like, I've seen this design done before, but I never did it myself. So I was like, okay, I'll just add it into the set. So the first layer with the blooming gel is going to be black dots, and then I'm going to do pink dots inside the black dots using the blooming gel again. Then I wanted to add some pops of darker pink. Well, the nail is nude. I just wanted pops of pink with airbrush to like make it stand out. It wasn't as bright as I would like it, but I was just like, you know what, it's okay, we'll work with it. So then I have to add on the dots and the little line work, and then we'll be finished with this nail. So now I'm going to be adding the pink lines on the black nail. I feel like now lines and like dots are like trending. I don't know why though. The line look on the nails are so cute, especially when you have a dark color, like a dark color as the background and a light color as the lines. Is really cute. With the lines, you just want to make sure that you dip your brush in the paint evenly, so you could just do the lines as simple as possible one time. Like the goal is just to do the line once and not go back over it, if that makes sense. But I go back over it because I just wanted to make sure it's even and it doesn't look like patchy. Patchy is probably not the best word to explain the line work, but I feel like if you're a nail tech, you know what I mean. Like you know what I mean. So I tried to add lines to the nail and I ended up hating it. I was just like, this doesn't look right. So I decided to just wipe it off and just do dots. The dots looked way better. I don't know what I was thinking originally, but I was like, the lines, this is not giving, just do the dots. So that's what we did. We wiped it off and then we add the dots, like the dots in a swirl from largest to smallest, like it's shrinking, and that looked way better. Now we're just adding on the final touches. I love these kawaii charms, and I thought it would look so cute. This nail can also be referencing Draculaura as well, like her, what's pinstripe? I believe her boots. Is it her boots? It could just be a reference to Draculaura as well, and I love that. I may actually do that next because I really want to start doing more nail sets in reference to cartoon and anime characters, so I might do a little series on that. So this is the finished design. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.
Now winter or summer, I get Papa don't stop now. Living life, extend my fire, burning bright within the inside me. Smallly with mighty, then the band know I follow. To the winter or summer, I get Papa don't stop now. Living life, extend my fire, burning bright within the inside me. Smallly with